Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I have 4 huge companies right now that are hiring customer service type reps. So, all of these are going to be phone based work. If you don't mind customer service, let me know down in the comments below. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, real quickly, before we dive in, I just want to say that some of these have locations listed, and it looks like it's just their main location or headquartered location. I could not find anything that said that they hire within the United States, that they don't have any state restrictions, but it doesn't say that they don't hire either. So I am just sharing because I wanted to bring something a little bit different to you. I don't know how many times you can watch videos on TELUS International is hiring now. My YouTube studio does show me other channels and videos that my viewers watch, so I'm always trying to mix it up and bring something different so you're not seeing the same video day in, day out, week in, and week out. So with that being said, I just thought I would share these, hoping they would be helpful to someone. But diving right on in, the company Corsair, now they make all kind of computer equipment. If you have a gamer in your house who has built a computer, you might have heard of them before. Best Buy sells their products, but they are hiring a technical support. Now this is remote work from home. Starting pay is anywhere from $14 to $16 an hour. They're looking for someone to help document, diagnose, troubleshoot, and resolve problems with their newest gear, components, PCs, software, and accessories that are under warranty for their customers. So you will gain knowledge of all of Corsair's products, uses, and third-party integrations. You'll help provide that technical support through direct contact with customers via phone, email, or other channels, and document, verify, and analyze any reported problems. Of course, you'll provide efficient communication to your management and peers and escalate any issues as needed. Now, to troubleshoot and resolve issues, you'll utilize any available tools, resources, and documentation that they give you. Now it says, please note in your cover letter whether you prefer full-time or part-time work. So it looks like they may be hiring for both. They are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who understands computer hardware like Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android software applications and firmware. Someone who can learn additional technical industry concepts, someone who has strong customer service skills, and the ability to solve problems. Now, they also want someone who can work weekends and holidays. Moving right along, Gamestop, you've probably heard of them. They have stores in all kinds of malls. They also have standalone stores and shopping centers. They're hiring a remote customer service associate. Now, this says that you'll be providing timely resolutions via email, phone, chat connections in an inbound and outbound call environment. They are really looking for someone to serve as the go-to person for any store inquiries and customer issues. You'll provide timely follow-up and communication resolution appropriately. You'll also facilitate timely communications with stores and customers regarding resolutions or pending actions. Now, you will have to meet CPH productivity and quality goals for this position. You'll take responsibility for your team's success by serving as a backup for the team members' assigned areas and responsibilities. So you will be cross-trained in other departments, it sounds like. But the main purpose of the job is to manage service interactions with a high quality level of customer service, making sure you retain that customer loyalty. Now, one thing to note about this position, they did not list the pay or really the requirements that they're looking for. You'll have to ask that at the time of the interview. If you've ever heard of Harbor Freight, they sell tools. They have stores across the place. They're hiring a contact center associate to work remote. Now, this one does say they're targeting specific locations, but they're not limited to that. So this one I would apply if you're anywhere in the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to provide customer experience and support through both phone and email communication. You'll help the customers with things like order information, product information, troubleshooting, issue resolution, and any general customer support. They are looking for someone who can deliver friendly and helpful service, someone who can actively listen and express empathy to the customers, someone who can identify solutions to customer issues, someone who can learn quickly, be adaptable to change, and really just be customer focused. Now, they would prefer somebody who already has customer service in retail or some kind of hospitality, but that is not required. Of course, you need to know how to use Microsoft Office, Excel, and Word. And this position is paying $20 an hour. Last but not least, this one is a little bit different from a regular customer service job, but the clothing brand Carhartt is hiring an account service representative. Now, this is remote, but this one will require a degree if you don't have a certain experience. But they are looking for somebody to provide support for their accounts and ordering activities. You'll service, support, and proactively manage the order operations of assigned accounts with responsibility for decision-making related to your assigned account. You'll need to understand and work with credits, logistics, transportation, all other departments to prevent or impact delivery to ensure that all parties are informed. You'll manage, monitor, and maintain firm orders, contracts, and bulk orders as necessary in the SAP environment, and you'll maintain customer portal sites accurately and timely to generate revenue. So even though this is a customer service type position, you're actually being the service rep for and supporting bigger companies that are ordering these products to sell in their stores. Now, this position does say an associate's degree is required, but it goes on to say equivalent work experience may be considered in lieu of degree. They're looking for somebody who has 4 to 6 years of customer service or order management fulfillment service, someone who has a great written and communication skills, someone who is self-motivated. Of course, you got to have those Microsoft Office skills, someone who is analytical and a problem solver. Now, again, this one did not list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, please help me out and leave comments down below. Let me know what you think about the jobs that I have been sharing recently. Again, I am trying to just share something different so you're not seeing the same things over and over and giving you a little bit of a different option. Please let me know if that's working for you or if you prefer to see things like TELUS International and other things. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.